Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and play Minecraft on your PC. For this, what you want to do is go on your Microsoft search icon and search for Microsoft Store. Once you search for Microsoft Store, click on it and your Microsoft Store will open up. And you might need to log in into your Microsoft account to use it, but if you have already logged into it, it's going to automatically open up just like this. From over here at the top, click on it and search for Minecraft. Now once you search for Minecraft, Minecraft is going to be displayed. So let's wait for some time until the Minecraft loads up. Now once you search for Minecraft, it's going to show you all this result. Now from over here, you want to choose which Minecraft you want to download. So over here, you can choose whichever Minecraft you want. Now there is tons of Minecraft, but to play a normal Minecraft, you just need to buy this version over here, which is Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. If you buy these, then you're going to get extra perks. But if you just want the game, then you want to choose the one which says $29.99. Click on it, and then it's going to ask you to enter your card detail. After you enter your card detail and pay $30, and it'll be downloaded and installed in your PC, and you can then start playing Minecraft. So that is how you guys can download and install Minecraft on your PC and start playing it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.